Now we are going to demonstrate the fingerprint based voting machine. So this is in this one, this is the fingerprint module, and these are the buttons to select the contestants for voting one, and this is a motherboard. So in this one, there is a total RPS section for the microcontroller to give the 5 volts constant supply. So here the push buttons are placed at this pin, and this is the election officer permission, means whenever the person voted, so after that till this election officer give the permission, till that, so no one will vote again. And also this is the get, so to get the total results, means the number of votes per the contestants. So here we are placing the contestants A, B, C, D, and this is a fingerprint module. So and there is a max 32 IC interface to the PC through serial cable and the LCD. So let's go with that one. So when you on the microcontroller, means power supply to this microcontroller, on the LCD you will get the welcome message, as well as on the PC hyperterminal also you will get the welcome message. So and this fingerprints always scan the system, so it will ask you that please place the fingerprint. So when I place my fingerprint, already I stored my fingerprints, 5 right hand 5 fingerprints stored into already in this database. So when I place my finger properly, we need to place the finger, so take up the finger, so it will find the ID number and please select the contestant. So then I'll go with the A one, means it's Congress party or BJP anything, so get the A party. Fine, then it was my vote was done. So here the thing is, these two LEDs will be initially off condition, means so when this this is a white LED, so when the election officer gives the permission for the voter, it will close. When it will close, then only the person supposed to place finger on the fingerprint one. And coming to this yellow LED glows, nothing but waiting for the input from these control buttons. So let us see. So when the election officer gives the permission, this will close, this LED will glow, and then I need to place my finger. So I'll go in with the second finger. So I need to place my finger properly. See. So I got my ID. So now we can observe that this yellow light is blinking. Yellow light is on now. Right? Right. So when the yellow light is on, nothing but is waiting for the please select the contestant. So now I'll go with the C1. So to C selection, these two LEDs will be off, means it's waiting for the input one again from the fingerprint module. So the election officer will be the condition to this one. Now I'm going to for the third ID. And same thing, the yellow light will be glown, and I'll go with the again A. So my vote was done, and these two will be off. Go with the election of give the permission, and with the fourth finger. Fourth ID, and this is blown, and I'll go with the B. It's off, my vote was done. So without, if the election officer without giving permission, if I go with the same finger like this, you can observe that, so you can't vote for second time, right? See, the same thing is occurred. So now I will go with this, the fifth finger. So we made this one for 5 users only. Sorry, not trying to use my finger properly. So how I register, so like that, fifth one, same thing is A, and I go with the A only. What was done. So now for my database, I did my whole hop. Oh, 5 users was done. So if I place this again and again, so it is showing that, so you can't vote second time. Whether this election officer give the permission also, my database will not accept my finger. Like that. See that. Already the election officer give the permission. So any one of my finger will not give the, means any one user. So after voting was done, so it will not give the permission to the corresponding person. Right. See, my ID was already registered in this microcontroller. Right. So in order to get the refresh one, so go with the this is the reset button to the microcontroller. Go with the reset system. Initial these two LEDs will blinks, means initially I have the permission from the election officer. So I'll get the first one. So it is my ID number 2. and this yellow light will be on. I'll go with the 1. Okay, and coming to the second thing, same. So when you reset that in our microcontroller, so now we are not going to use the EEPROM for the selection results, so that's why it will be erased the previous results. So that's why I'm restoring the new results now. So I voted for the A party for 2 times, and now I'll go for the C. Sorry, I'm not getting information from the election officer. Press the button and go the fingerprint identification. I got the ID number. I'll go for the C part. Right, so the total election was done. So let us go to the gate. So when you press the gate button, the microcontroller will send the whole results which was till now Dutch, means the after restarting only. So this data will be sent from this Max32 IC through serial cable to this PC. You can have the results. So now I'm pressing the button. See, just I press the button. So contestant A got 2 votes and contestant 0 and 1. So like that we'll get the results. It's a project of fingerprint based electronic voting machine. Thank you very much.